Hey everyone, remember this? That satisfying click of a physical keyboard, the iconic blinking LED notification light, there was nothing else like it. The BlackBerry wasn't just a phone, it was a symbol. But then, the touchscreen revolution happened, and slowly, this legendary brand faded into the background. But what if I told you that the classic BlackBerry is back? And it's not a throwback, it's a comeback with a modern twist. Get ready to be excited. A Chinese company called Zinwa Technologies is bringing back the BlackBerry spirit in a brand new avatar. It's called the Zinwa Q25, and it's here to awaken your nostalgia. But the big question is, can a phone with a physical keyboard really compete in today's all-touchscreen world? Let's dive in and find out. Design and display. The Zinwa Q25 takes us right back to the days of the BlackBerry Classic, but with some serious modern upgrades. It's got a compact 4.5-inch display that makes it easy to hold and slip into your pocket. And yes, that iconic physical QWERTY keyboard is back, making typing an absolute joy again. Plus, for all you die-hard fans, the famous LED notification light is making a return. But here's the most surprising part. This compact screen has a 90 Hz refresh rate. That means super smooth scrolling, lag-free gaming, and a premium feel that you don't normally expect from a phone like this. Camera. In an age where every phone has multiple cameras, Zinwa is doing something different. The Q25 features a powerful single 108-megapixel primary camera that promises to capture incredible, high-quality photos. And for all you selfie lovers, the 16-megapixel front camera is ready to make selfie look fantastic. Performance. Don't let the classic design fool you, this phone is a beast under the hood. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, making it a true powerhouse that can handle anything you throw at it. And it runs on the latest Android operating system, so you'll have access to all the modern apps and software you need. Battery life. One of the biggest pain points for modern smartphones is battery life. But the Zinwa Q25 has a legendary solution. Its massive 4400 mAh battery is said to give you a whopping 2 to 3 days of backup on a single charge. Say goodbye to constantly looking for a power outlet. Price and launch. So, how much is this nostalgic powerhouse going to cost? The Zinwa Q25 is expected to be priced around $390 and is set to launch by the end of 2025. Now, here's the big question for all of you. Do you think the Zinwa Q25, with its physical keyboard and retro charm, can truly compete against today's sleek touchscreen phones? Or is it a device strictly for those of us who miss the good old BlackBerry days?